Ryan Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, back with kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. We took a little break from this. The reason behind it was simple, just lacked inspiration. There wasn't a new helmet out there that spoke to me, that tickled my pickle and said, man, let's do another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. That has all changed. Inside of the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I have the pinnacle of cranial protection as it pertains to motorcycle riding and racing. This literally blew my socks off when I saw it. I am going sockless in my shoes. They smell like beef and cheese right now. Premium helmet bag. Wow, world of wonder. This is going to change everything in the helmet universe. If we had a drummer here, we'd have a drum roll right now. Look at this bad mamba jamba. This is the wow, world of wonder, matte black helmet. It ships with a free tinted mirror shield. Look at how gorgeous that is. The aerodynamics of this helmet have it certified for speeds up to 600 miles an hour. I bet you're going to see every MotoGP rider on the grid wearing this in 2019. Just so you know, this is total bullshit. I bought this helmet off of Amazon for $64.95. In my opinion, it is a flaming piece of shit.